Good morning guys, in front of me is Galaxy A57 5G and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, open your phone the other. Then go to contacts if you are not in this panel. Pick the contact that you want to personalize, that you want to add this profile picture to, mark info and select edit. Now choose picture. You can also create profile card, but it's working all the same. And now you can either pick one from your own photos, so just enroll your gallery and choose something. Then you can go with pictures, stickers, or create an avatar. You can also add some color smoothly. But let me pick, for example, a sticker. Let's go with this one with Fox. Tap on done and mark done to save it. So that's it. This will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.